To add a main title to our section, let's type H, select H1 and press Enter. We've just created a heading element. And let's name this section About Me. To further organize our content, let's add some subheadings, like H2 for experience, before our first paragraph. Next, we can add a smaller H4 heading for interests before the second paragraph. HTML supports 6 levels of headings, from H1, the largest one, to H6, the smallest. Headings help structure your content, improve readability, and make your page more organized. We can also inspect the heading element. Right-click on About Me and select Inspect. As you can see, a heading is also a block-level element, which means it starts on a new line and takes up the full width. By default, headings are styled with bold text and have space around them. Now, I want to quickly make my sections more distinct by adding some horizontal lines. The HR element stands for horizontal rule. Unlike other elements, it's self-enclosing, so you don't need a closing tag. Here are key points about headings. Syntax. Use H1 to H6 tags, with H1 being the most important and H6 the least. Block level. Headings start on a new line and take up the full available width of their container. Semantics. Headings convey meaning about the structure of your content, indicating sections. Accessibility. Screen readers detect headings, making it easier for users to navigate your content. SEO. Search engines analyze headings to determine content structure and relevance, which can enhance visibility in search results.